At this stage, they are neither fast nor strong enough to participate in hunts, but their instincts begin to develop. They observe how their mother selects her targets, often young Thompson's gazelles or hares, small, manageable prey. Each hunt is a spectacular moment, deeply imprinted in the memory of these young learners. By the time they reach 3 months of age, the cubs begin their first practical lessons. Small prey, often caught and brought back by their mother, becomes live props for them to practice their skills. Their initial pounces are awkward, their weak jaws unable to deliver a killing bite. But failure is an essential part